Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. This is the grand unveiling of the Lamborghini Huracán, a masterpiece of engineering and design. In this luxurious showroom, the excitement is palpable as Lamborghini redefines the supercar experience once again. The owner proudly stands by their new Huracán, a machine that fuses extreme performance with an unmistakable, aggressive design. This is more than just a car. It's a driving experience unlike any other. The Lamborghini Huracán pushes the boundaries of speed, style, and emotion. Meet the Lamborghini Huracán, a supercar that combines raw power with the precision and beauty expected from Lamborghini. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a declaration of dominance on the road. Let's talk about design. The Huracán is an embodiment of pure aerodynamics and visual aggression. The sharp angles, the low-slung profile, and those piercing LED headlights, everything about the Huracán screams performance. Each curve and surface is meticulously crafted, not just for aesthetics, but for performance. From the aggressive front splitter to the rear diffuser, every detail enhances the car's ability to cut through the air at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted by the unmistakable cockpit of a Lamborghini. The Huracán's cabin is designed to immerse the driver in pure racing heritage, with high-quality Alcantara and carbon fiber elements surrounding you. It's a space where luxury meets performance. Technology meets passion in the Huracán. The digital cockpit displays vital information clearly, while the fighter jet-style start button unleashes the beast beneath the hood. Now let's talk about performance. The Huracán is powered by a naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing up to 631 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, delivering adrenaline-pumping acceleration and unmatched driving pleasure. With advanced all-wheel drive, a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, and carbon-ceramic brakes, the Huracán offers razor-sharp handling and stopping power. Whether on the track or on the road, this car is built to dominate. The Lamborghini Huracán is not just about speed. It's a statement of design, technology, and pure driving emotion. From your daily commute to the open road, it's a car that makes every moment feel like a race day. Lamborghini continues to set new standards in the supercar world, blending heritage with the future in a way that few brands can match. The Huracán represents everything Lamborghini stands for: power, precision, and passion. The Lamborghini Huracán isn't just about the journey, it's about the thrill of the ride. This is what dreams are made of, a supercar that pushes the limits of performance, design, and innovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.